Consider a triangle ABC with vertices 0, 0, 4, 1, and 8, 2 in the xy plane. Each vertex can be represented as a column vector in a 2 by 3 matrix. So if I wanted to, I can write that out right now as 0, 0, 4, 1, 8, 2. Now envision a transformation that maps a point xy to negative x, negative y, which is basically just flip-flop everything. I mean, if x and y's become its opposites, so negative 0, negative 0, negative 4, negative 1, negative 8, negative 2. So not only did I envision it, but I did it. The transformation effectively mirrors the points across the origin. When applied to the vertices of a triangle, this transformation results in a rotation of pi radians counterclockwise about the origin. Okay, I can see it. I can see it. This rotation essentially flips the triangle over to the opposite side of the origin while preserving its shape. Yes, that's what a rotation means. Which of the following options gives the image vertices as a matrix of column vectors? Isn't it just B? So all that reading just for that? All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.